I messed up. I messed up. Everyone says do not travel with full bottles. I say I travel almost every week with full bottles. I don't have any problems. I just went to Ireland and I'm like, I gotta take this. Like, how would you not want to wear Louis Vuitton lovers in the spring in Ireland? It's incredible. Smells good. It's got green meadow with a little bit like a citrus with beautiful sweetness. Once it dries down, sweetness takes over. It's just better. This is amazing. Some say it smells like pickles. I don't get that. I don't get it at all. I love this. I think this is perfection. This is so good. This is the best Louis Vuitton in my opinion. Others will say it's imagination. Cool. I think it's this. I travel with this and one of my decants, see, you say travel with decants? I did. It leaked. That decant of Mystery Tobacco by Carolina Herrera. Holy cow, hold that fragrance. $250 right now, it's as cheap as I can find. It leaked, and I'm gonna see if I can show you. It messed up my cap. It messed up the cap. The alcohol from the fragrance caused the covering to bubble and tear off, and then I think I've cleaned the bottle enough, but there was like black on the bottle, there was black in the bag, like, it destroyed it. I don't think I've ever landed and pulled out my fragrances and been more disappointed in my life because I'm sorry, it ruined the presentation. Like, this is a Louis Vuitton. Like, their presentation is what makes them so cool. Like, I love this. It's classy. Atomizer is great. Oh, I love that fragrance. I love this fragrance. Thankfully, I was in Dublin and I went to the Louis Vuitton store and I was like, I'm sorry, I messed up. I messed up, I ruined the cap. Fragrance leaked, I destroyed it. Is there any way I could have another cap? I figured, look, the worst could be they'll tell me no. Okay would be, yeah, it would cost you $50 and I have to debate, do I want to pay $50 for a cap? Or the best could be, they say yes and give me a free cap. Like, seriously, they just walked over, looked, actually what they did first, they went in the back. I think they're looking to see if they had any empty bottles. They didn't. They came out and they pulled a cap off one of the fragrance bottles and just gave it to me and said, here you go. And so they gave me this cap. Here's the thing. The reason I'm making this video, people argue with buying from very expensive places like Louis Vuitton, saying it's not worth it. But what you're buying is the prestige of the brand. And Louis Vuitton know if your brand doesn't look right, so therefore my cap, it doesn't look right, it loses that appeal of Louis Vuitton. And so you don't have that prestige. So they're willing to just help you out. You could call them up and then help you out. I bet I could have called them up when I got back home or went on their website and just messaged them. They probably would have done the same thing. They're willing to just give you a cap. Like, here you go. Yeah, sure. Take a cap. Therefore, you look perfect with your bottle. The bottle looks the way it should be. So then if I ever show anyone, they're like, ooh, that's Louis Vuitton versus what'd you have into your cap? You know what I mean? So that's the thing I love about Louis Vuitton and other big brands. Some of them do this. Some of them don't. Some of them are cheap and they're like, no, yeah, I won't do that. You got to do this, do that. And it's just like, come on. These caps cost you like nothing. And I paid a good amount of money for that fragrance. I think I paid $330 for it. Like, it's a decent amount of money I paid for that fragrance. You should at least just let me have another cap. And that's what Louis Vuitton does. So again, Louis, kudos to you. You did a great job. Thank you so much for it. Love your fragrances. I know I'll buy more in the future. Actually gonna do a review of Elves in a second, but oof, I'm telling you, that's what you pay the money for. You pay it for them, that they're willing to take care of you. And that's all you want. You want customer service, and Louis Vuitton did it. So thank you so much. Salespeople in Dublin, Ireland, you're the best. Thank you so much.